Okay, so I'm here at my layout and I want to insert a scale bar. Um, and I know we often do this and just kind of chuck one on there and then move on, but we want to be very intentional and specific when we add our scale bar and our north arrow elements. Just because they're more decorative elements in a lot of ways, particularly the north arrow, and we want them to kind of blend in with the rest of the map and not necessarily draw attention unless the map reader is specifically looking for them. Um, so, a lot of times if we say insert scale bar, we'll sometimes pick one that's a little bit more uh, complicated, which, could be useful for a nautical map or something that's meant for navigation. For something simple, I typically try to go with one of these here, right? These alternating scale bar 1 or 2, I think, are fairly nice. So let's go with 2 on this one. And I'm just going to drag it right into this spot here. Okay, so there's my scale bar. And first thing I want to do is I want to adjust some of these divisions. I don't necessarily need this many divisions um, for a simple scale bar like this. So I'm going to drop this down to 2. And I'm going to drag this out so it's a nice round number like 100. Let's see. Bloop. That looks good. Okay, so now I have my scale bar. It's 100, but it doesn't quite match my text or my color scheme for my uh, descriptive text here. So I'm going to go into my scale bar. I'm going to look down, same place to the properties. I'm going to scroll down here to bar, and I'm going to click on this color. And sometimes what I like to do is actually just turn it red first, just so I know exactly what it's changing, right? Making that subtle change from black to gray 80 or gray 70 sometimes can be hard to see exactly what you're doing. So turn it red for a second. Okay, that's what it's working on. Then I'll go over here to gray 70. Make sure my outline's doing what I think it's doing. Okay. Put it at gray 70. And then to the other part of the structure, this one. Okay, so I want that to be no color still. And so this one I know is my outline color of those empty boxes. Right, let's make those gray 70 as well. Alright, that looks pretty good. It's a little bit more subtle, a little bit more easy on the eyes. And then let's change that text so it matches this text here. So go to the text symbol. We use this Bodoni font. 12 is fine. Let's just change that color to gray 70 as well. Alright, so now our scale bar matches fairly aesthetically with our other kind of like graying, light gray elements, right? It doesn't stand out as stark black against the rest of these different layout elements, right?